Hi everyone and welcome. You've probably seen these beautiful custom QR codes on Etsy. They look so much better than the standard black and white QR codes and add a polished professional touch to invitations, business cards, signs, and more. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create one in Canva in just a few clicks. First, open your design in Canva. Then copy the link of your template that you want to create the QR code for. Next, select the page or design. Click Share, then More, and choose QR code. Paste the URL you copied earlier, then click Generate QR code. Finally, click Download QR code to save it. Thanks for watching.